Now let's take an example of factoring by grouping. We'll begin with the problem 6x squared plus 3x plus 8x plus 4. A strong hint that we need to factor by grouping is the fact that we have 4 terms. So what we do is we draw a line down the middle of the problem, and we look at 1/2 at a time by taking out something common. What's something common that I can take out of 6x squared plus 3x? That's right, I can pull out a common 3x, leaving in parentheses 2x plus 1, because 3x times 2x is 6x squared, and 3x times 1 is 3x. Notice the binomial I've written in blue. That has to be a common binomial. I'm going to pick it up and move it to the other side. And now, to find this 4, what I ask myself is, what would I multiply the quantity 2x plus 1 by to get the quantity 8x plus 4? Well, 4 times 2 gives me 8, and 4 times 1 gives me 4. So apparently if I multiply a positive 4 by the quantity 2x plus 1, I get 8x plus 4. Well, that tells me that it factors into the 2 binomials of 3x plus 4 by taking the 2 pieces in green and putting them together, times the quantity 2x plus 1 by pulling down that common binomial. Let's look at another example. Now I have the problem 8x cubed plus 10x squared plus 4x plus 5. Again, we're only going to look at half of the problem at a time. What's common to an 8x cubed plus a 10x squared? That's right, 2x squared. 2x squared times what binomial is going to give me 8x cubed plus 10x squared? Well, it would be the binomial 4x plus 5. Now remember, that binomial in blue has to be taken over to the other side, and now I have to ask myself, what would I multiply the quantity 4x plus 5 by to get the other quantity of 4x plus 5? That's right, just a positive 1. So my 2 binomials that this factors into are 2x squared plus 1 and 4x plus 5.